Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and get started with changing your email address on Claude.ai. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Claude.ai website if you have not already. So you're going to go to the URL bar at the top of your internet browser and search for Claude.ai. This is the official URL, and once you click enter and open it up, this is what you're going to be greeted by. If you have not already logged in, you are going to see the option to continue with your email address or to sign up with Google. If you're already logged in, you are going to be greeted by this prompt right here, from where we can get started using the Claude.ai prompt. So from here we can get started with taking a look at all the settings we have and our profile at the bottom left corner that we can use for managing our website. But currently guys, as you're going to see, once you open up your settings, you do not have any option to go ahead and change your email address. This has not been implemented and included into Claude.ai, and the only option you have if you want a new email address is to go ahead and create a new email account. So basically you can go ahead and connect with a different Google account, or you can go ahead and create a new account using a different email address, but you do not have any option for changing your email address. Currently that's not implemented. Maybe sometime in the future it will be, but for now it is currently not available to you, and you can only change your name but not your email address. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.